Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for NDA. Preparing for the National Defense Academy math exam requires a focused approach. First, you need to thoroughly understand the syllabus, which covers topics primarily from class 11 and 12. Then, concentrate on building strong conceptual clarity rather than just memorizing formulas. Consistent practice with previous year's questions is also crucial for success. Let's dive into the details. The NDA math syllabus is extensive, covering over 10 core topics. Key areas include algebra, calculus, and trigonometry, which frequently appear in the exam. Additionally, analytical geometry, matrices and determinants, vector algebra, and statistics and probability are also very important. Prioritize your study based on the weightage and frequency of these topics in past exams to maximize your preparation efficiency. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of NDA math preparation. Aim to solve a significant number of questions daily, perhaps 50 to 100, from diverse topics. Regularly taking full-length mock tests is essential to gauge your progress and improve time management. After each test, meticulously analyze your mistakes to pinpoint weak areas. This targeted approach helps you strengthen those concepts and avoid repeating errors. As the exam approaches, focus on smart revision. Create concise notes and formula sheets for quick review, color-coding different topics for easy recall. On exam day, effective time management is crucial. Start with easier questions to build confidence and skip difficult ones initially. Remember, each question carries 5 marks with a negative marking of 0. 83, so accuracy is vital. Stay calm and confident to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.